Amazon Prime Day is officially here, and there's some fantastic deals for the automotive, car detailing enthusiast, also just for around the home and garage. So we're gonna start this off right away with deal number one. This is coming in, not the biggest discount, but a fantastic item. This is the Active 2.3 electric pressure washer. This is their newest one. It's coming in at 10% off. So normally $650, I believe. Coming in now at $584. Now, if you don't want to spend that kind of money, the Active 2.0 is also on sale. Also a really, really great unit. 13% off on that one, bringing it down to $313 for the full kit. Now, staying with that pressure washer category, guys, the best deal that I've been able to find on Amazon Prime Day for a pressure washer is the Karcher K1700. This thing is a great entry-level pressure washer, and it is coming in at $100. Now, for your pressure washing accessories, everyone knows I really like the brand McKillens. They make fantastic little pressure washer guns. And they have a few things going on sale with them. So they have their original McKillens gun with the swivel attachment, 26% off, coming in at $47. They also have their brand new Swivel Gun Pro. That's also available. It's 19% off, bringing it down to 79 bucks. And then they also have the McKillens foam cannon. That thing is coming in 24% off, so it comes in to $45 for that unit. Now, that one doesn't get the most crazy amount of foam, but it is a fantastic little unit. It gets a decent amount of foam. You can do some upgrades to get even more out of it. Or if you are using something like the Active 2.3 or even the 2.0, you're gonna get good foam with that anyways. Now, keeping with those pressure washer guns, Essential Washer is another brand that I've covered in the past. And they make a very, very similar unit to McKillen's first pressure washer gun, but they do it in a really nice blue colorway with stainless steel connections. The swivel version is currently on sale, 29% off, coming in at $38, guys. So fantastic deal there. If you have other stuff that's blue, like the Uberflex hose or anything like that, it goes really, really well with that. Go check that out because that is a fantastic deal. Now back to foam cannons. There is a whole bunch of deals on foam cannons, but all the cheaper ones that are all kind of relatively the same, essentially. But one of note is the Griot's Boss foam cannon is coming in 15% off on Amazon, so it brings it down to $84. Now, guys, I did check for the MJJCs. There's no sales running on those that I currently see on there. I'll update this as I go. But to help you guys out, I will be running a 20% off sale on my personal website, detailersupply.com, DTLR. I'll have it linked in the description. But pretty much everything on the site, I'm gonna offer 20% off. Just use code PRIME at checkout and you'll get 20% off. So the MJJCs we're selling for about 80 bucks, so 20% off that gets you a good amount of savings there. So go check that out, guys. Moving on, drying your vehicle down after washing it. We have the Ego blower, the 650 CFM version of it. I use the 765, but the 650 is great as well. That's coming in 20% off for the kit. So you get a battery and charger, $223. Now from there, let's jump into the brand Fanttik. I've covered their stuff in the past. They make fantastic, let's see here, car jump starters, tire inflators, little handheld vacuums, all that kind of good stuff. And they're running a whole bunch of deals. So I'm gonna link all that down in the description for you guys so you can go and look at all those because there's too many really to just mention one by one. And then there are some special discount codes that I'm gonna link down there as well that will get you additional discounts, so bringing even the Prime deal to a lower price. So go check that out. Most of their stuff's kind of ranging between 20% off up to like 57% off. And then again, some of the deals will have an extra coupon code down there in the description. So use those and you'll get even more savings. Now talking about car detailing chemicals, all the things you use to wash your vehicle. Again, a lot of things going on there. So I'm just gonna kind of highlight the brands that I saw that are offering some good stuff. And then I'll link you directly to those pages down in the description so you can find those items really, really easily. First up, we have Adams Polishes. I'm a big fan of a lot of their car detailing chemicals. I think they're fantastic. Adams Megafoam, especially if you go with that McKillen's foam cannon, you pair that with Adams Megafoam, you're getting a lot of nice thick foam. So that's gonna be a great option from Adams Polishes, along with a bunch of all their other products. Griot's Garage has a bunch of stuff on sale as well. So I'll link you guys to that. And then also Suds Lab. Now Suds Lab, I think a lot of you know, it's a really great line of products that are available in Walmart. It's very commercial, professional grade stuff. Well, Suds Lab also has more products than that they offer that's not in Walmart, and they are on Amazon, and they have some sales running on those as well. So make sure to go check those out. From there, Auto Fiber, one of my favorite companies for microfibers and things like that, and some kind of innovative car detailing tools. Again, I sell them on my website. They will be 20% off there, but they have quite a few items on Amazon at 25% off. So make sure, I'll link those ones down in the description, like the barrel blade, some of the Dreadnought XL drying towels, which are my favorites. 25% off on Amazon for Prime Day. So again, link down in the description, go check those ones out. We're gonna flip over to page number 2 of my notes here, and we are getting closer to the end here. So I do wanna remind you guys, we do have the sweepstakes, the PRME USA, KCX USA sweepstakes that we are doing together. If you buy a coating on my website, it's at 50% off. It'll enter you into the sweepstakes to be able to win a 2-day training event out in Georgia with your hotel and flight covered to go out there. So at one of the motor speedways, they're gonna be doing some karting events and all that kind of stuff. So a lot of fun. I'll be out there as well. So we'll get to meet. So it should be a fantastic event. Go check that out. I'll have a link for the sweepstakes down in the description as well. Okay, moving on from there. The Bissell Hydro Steam Pro. This is a steam carpet extractor. Really cool unit. I did a review on this, I don't know, maybe a year ago or so. Really great unit. It is 35% off for Prime Day, bringing it down to $149. So make sure to check that out. If you want a little bit more of a commercial grade extractor, the VacMaster 6-gallon, it's a vacuum with extractor attachment on it. That's 17% off, bringing it to $141. And then there is the Karcher, I think they pronounce it Goozy. I can't remember how they pronounce it, but it's a commercial grade extractor. I've never used this thing, but it is on sale right now. It's still expensive. For me personally, I would just recommend getting the Adams heated version carpet extractor, their professional grade one. That thing's fantastic. I didn't notice any sales on that, but it's still going to be in that same price range as that one from Karcher. So that's probably where I would lean. But for all of you that wanted the Karcher one or have seen that and were wondering about it, it's on sale on Amazon. I didn't even know it was available on Amazon, so I wanted to highlight that. And then last but not least, if you're looking for a polisher, the Work Pro dual action polisher, I've done a review on this thing in the past too. It's always been a good value because of the price. Is it the best polisher out there in the world? No, but it's gonna be a great option for you to get started at a really, really good price. And they have it on sale for 20% off, bringing it down to $67 for a dual action polisher. So fantastic deal there, guys. Again, I will be updating these videos as I see new sale items and things like that come up. So I will keep you guys updated on that. Also, go follow me on Instagram because I will be posting in my storyline there new deals that I see coming up, so you guys can constantly kind of keep up with that so you don't miss out. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one. Now really quickly, guys, I want to announce the KCX sweepstakes. We're going to be doing a special giveaway where one of you can earn flight and hotel all the way to Georgia to the Atlanta Motorsports Park for a 2-day training at KCX's training facility. Now for the sweepstakes entry, we have their C002 ceramic all-round ceramic coating. This coating usually retails for about $200, and we are offering 50% off on my personal website. So go there, use code KCX to get 50% off of this coating. It comes to $99, and that will earn you an entry into the sweepstakes so you can have the opportunity to go to Georgia, hang out with all the guys from KCX, myself included. I will be out there as well to enjoy a full KCX certification, full deep dive into the KCX lineup, as well as proper detailing techniques and procedures, a tour of the PRME headquarters, as well as a little bit of kart racing just for fun. So get your entries in from now until the end of July. We'll be announcing a winner on August 5th.